If each morning begins with this view, seas stretching wide beneath a sky still shaking of sleep, if the first faces you greet are the donkeys wandering by, and your quiet companions at breakfast are iguanas waiting for a bite, then yes, you've arrived. Welcome to Saint Maarten. We begin in Philipsburg, the capital of the Dutch part of the island. There's a strange stillness to it, once the cruise ships prepare to depart from Great Bay. It's not even late, yet most of the shops have closed their doors. The cafes and restaurants along Front Street are winding down too, their lights dimming as if on cue. Perhaps the recent heavy rain kept people indoors. Or perhaps this quiet is simply the rhythm of the place. There is peculiar energy in the air, something hard to name. You begin to wonder, has the clock on the old courthouse tower paused for a while, just to let the moment linger? We called Baie Orientale home for a week, letting the rhythm of island life carry us gently through our days. Most of our time was spent on the French side, where charm and tranquility meet. At first glance upon the bay, it feels as though you've stepped into paradise. Turquoise waves dancing under a generous sun. Each morning, we wandered along the shore, the steady cooling breeze making every step a quiet joy. The 6-kilometer ribbon of sand is more than beautiful. It's alive with movement, a haven for water sports lovers, and a dream for kite surfers chasing the wind. As evening falls and the day gently unwinds, we invite you to the village square where a delightful meal awaits. Choose from a rich tapestry of flavors, traditional French cuisine, vibrant Creole dishes, and inspired Asian fusion, all promising a feast for the senses. Welcome now to the small town of Grand Case, known far and wide as the gastronomic heart of the Caribbean. Here you can try meals in elegant French restaurants or dive into the vibrant spirit of open-air lolos, where local cooks grill fresh seafood and meats over smoky barbecue pits. As the sun dips low, it's the perfect place for a leisurely evening stroll along the main street and the picturesque beach, where European charm meets laid-back Caribbean vibes in a colorful, unforgettable blend. Anse Marcel is a hidden gem, a quiet little bay where the water stays gentle and inviting, just right for a long, lazy swim or a day spent soaking up the sun. Sure, it might cost you €25 for 2 beach chairs, but even if a soft Caribbean drizzle decides to pay a quick visit, it's worth every cent. So grab a cold drink from one of the beach bars, kick back, and let your eyes drift across the shimmering sea to the nearby island of Anguilla. This is island time, pure and simple. Marigot, the capital of Sint Maarten, stands proudly as France's vibrant jewel in the tropics. Stroll along the marina, where boats bob lazily beneath the sun. Wander through the bustling local market, a treasure trove of fresh produce, rich rams crafted nearby, and handmade crafts that carry the island's spirit. Climb the 91 sand range steps to Fort St. Louis, once the guardian of port's warehouses, where sweeping views remind you of the island's enduring strength and charm. It's time to return home. We bid farewell to the golden sunshine and the boats dancing on the waves, holding close the certainty that soon, very soon, we will meet again.